Kamusta yo fam, I'm Yowawerts, and in this very quick tutorial, I will show you how to make an Albedo Omniverse Ultimatrix Omnitrix. I've actually already done this kind of Omnitrix, but it was green, and aside from that, the buttons of this Omnitrix are located near the knuckles and it also lights up. Now before I show you how to make this, I'd like to give a massive shout out to these amazing Yo fam for sharing with us their homemade Ben 10 creations. I just want to say great job to all of you, and I hope to see more from you guys. Okay, let's start the tutorial. Follow the steps in the description to print the template, then cut out this piece. For this craft, use thin cardboard. The most suitable material for this is either folder, cardboard from cereal box, or notebook cover. Cut out the piece after tracing the lines and keep these for later. Now take the following pieces and glue them onto thin cardboard, then cut them out. Take these pieces and glue them together like so. Paint it afterwards. Grab the piece from earlier and use it as guide to make this ring piece. After sticking the ends together, poke holes onto these areas. Since I want to incorporate lights for this Omnitrix, I'll be using the following materials. Now if you're also making your Omnitrix light up, please consider watching a few wiring tutorials because I'm not an expert and I also just learned how to connect these by watching a couple of YouTube videos. And don't worry, I promise that they're super easy to follow. Moving on, I cut out a piece of EVA foam and glued it onto the thin cardboard piece from earlier to make my Omnitrix thicker and more durable. I cut out the excess parts and finally installed the lights into the Omnitrix. Stick the ends of this piece together like so and glue this one on top. Paint this with silver and you'll have something like this. Now for the interface and pattern, you can simply glue these onto thin cardboard just as shown in my previous tutorial. But if you're incorporating lights to your work, it's best to use a plastic sheet so that the light is visible. After sticking the pieces together, draw this line onto the Omnitrix and then glue the buttons like so. Lastly, I roll pieces of EVA foam to make the tubes and glue them onto these areas. And just like that, our Albedo Omniverse Ultimatrix Omnitrix is done. This craft is definitely one of the easiest projects in the channel, so if you want to have your own Albedo Omnitrix, go ahead and print the template and start making your DIY alien watch now. If you've made at least one of my creations, feel free to send me a photo on Instagram at Yowawerts and I'll be more than happy to feature it in my next videos. That's it for today, yo fam. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.